So you want to move into a neighborhood where you can literally play tennis across the street and live out your hoop dreams just steps away? Well, today I'm walking you through East Roseville's best kept secrets. 3 neighborhoods: Johnson Ranch, Olympus Point, and Eureka Village. Plus all the lifestyle perks, the parks, the schools, and the rec sports. I'm standing here in front of Johnson Ranch Sports Club, featuring a pool, a gym, basketball courts, tennis courts, 28 pickleball courts, and tons of fun. And all of the 3 neighborhoods we're walking through today are just minutes away from here. I'm Reese, your real estate guru. First-time home buyers, moving up or down, or relocating. My team and I love helping people make their move to Roseville. All our contact information is in the description below. Reach out to us anytime, 9 days or 9 months, it's never too soon. And make sure you smash that like and subscribe button. That way you can get all the important updates and details about living in Roseville and what the local market is like. Now let's go check out our first neighborhood, Johnson Ranch. Let's dive in. All right, first up, we're actually in Eureka Village, and we're walking by a 4-bedroom, 2-bath home that's priced at right about $775K, which is a little bit below the neighborhood average. And this place checks all the boxes. Inside, we have 10-foot ceilings, brand new luxury vinyl plank, brand new HVAC installed just a year ago. It's got a really great private courtyard, which, I mean, you know, you can barbecue and you can decorate with all your plants, or where also your dog can destroy those plants for you. And that 3-car garage, I mean, seriously, you can park 2 cars in there and still have the 3rd car just like as a hangout spot where you can get away from company or maybe the in-laws. It was built in 1997 and it's just under 2,300 square feet. And the school systems here in Roseville are amazing. Really cool part about this place is you're just, less than a mile away from Excelsior, Maidu Elementary, and also Olympus Middle School. Your kids can actually ride their bikes to school. Now, quite possibly the best part, you're just walking distance away from Johnson Ranch Sports Club with the pool and the gym and the pickleball courts and the tennis and the basketball. A really great neighborhood. But we got more for you to check out, so let's move on to the next. All right, this next beauty that we're gonna walk by here, we're here in Johnson Ranch, and this is a 4-bedroom, 3-bath. That's about just under 2,900 square feet, and it sits on almost a 1/4 acre. It's really a great home. It's priced at $850,000. It just has a ton of great features. Like, downstairs it has a full bedroom and bathroom, which is great for guests or if you wanted to have that be a private office. They say that the kitchen is the heart of the home, and I do believe that. This kitchen has so much quartz in it that it'll honestly make your heart skip a beat. Some of the additional features on this place is it's got a brand new HVAC and water heater. It's been freshly remodeled, of course, brand new kitchen cabinets. Upstairs has a huge loft. Now, speaking of upstairs, it has 2 additional bedrooms and of course the primary suite that's got plenty of room for like a sitting area, a massive walk-in closet. And then the primary bathroom or master bathroom is huge. It's got a big soaking tub and shower, really nice shower. And of course, double vanities and sinks. So it's virtually a spa-like bathroom. You really can't go wrong. So far we've been through Eureka Village and Johnson Ranch. If you're digging these 2 neighborhoods and you want to know more about them, just reach out. Information is in the description below. But now we're going to head on to Maidu Park so you can check that out and see what that's all about. Got a lot of great things about it. And then we're going to take and go to our last property today, which is really the pièce de résistance. If I've said that correctly, you're going to love it. So make sure you stay with me. As you can see, this is a beautiful neighborhood. Everyone takes great care of their yards. Just a great place to call home that, you can feel safe in. So here we are at Maidu Park. It is the park for Johnson Ranch. I'm gonna walk you through some of the great features that this park has to offer. Here we have the indoor soccer stadium. See if we can get a sneak peek in there. Closed down right now, but they do soccer all year round here. Sports are a big thing here at Maidu Park. Here we have a full court basketball court, and we've got some guys playing behind me. I'm gonna be respectful and not show them off here. Here we have the skate park. I don't know if you can bring bikes in here or not, but definitely a skate park. It's kind of cool. You don't have a lot of these around in parks. Allows the kids to get crazy without harassing shoppers at grocery stores and taking out pedestrians on the sidewalk. A little bit above my pay grade. About the most I could do is maybe some freestyle walking, but you can see it's a really cool park and well maintained. Like I said, sports is a big part of Maidu Park. Here we have multiple baseball fields. And as you may know, baseball is really well cemented in the blood and the DNA of Northern California and the greater Sacramento and Placer County areas. And we have some great baseball fields here, several of them. Now this is a really massive park. It's over 100 acres. It has a museum, of course, playgrounds, which even adults enjoy. Lots of sports fields, picnic areas, lots of walking trails. In fact, there's a walking trail all the way around the park, so you can clock your steps with your Fitbit. It also has a nature center. I spent many of weekends here actually watching my little sister-in-law play soccer while she was growing up. So just a fantastic park and really a centerpiece of Johnson Ranch. This one might be a little bit small for an adult. Here we have a little monument that's dedicated to those that fought in the Korean War. And something that's really cool, this sculpture of Maidu Native Americans. Maidu Park, of course, being named after them. Check out these soccer fields. The turf is really actually quite amazing. Spent a lot of time here watching my little sister-in-law growing up, watching her play soccer. Lots of fields, lots of goalposts. One thing that's really great about this park is all the giant redwood trees that you see everywhere. It's not just a giant open space of fields. It was well designed and beautiful place to come just kind of hang out. And here we are at the community center. Like they're having some work done. Kind of a cool little thing here. It's a little hot, but here's the fitness court. You can come do some body weight exercise. Got some rings and pull-up bars and different stuff for agility and all that kind of thing. Again, it's really hot, so let's not put too much pressure on people for not being here. And here we are at the Maidu Library. Really awesome to have something like this at the Central Park here in Johnson Ranch. Okay, so one more stop before we get to that final granddaddy home. You want me to say it again, don't you? Before we get to the pièce de résistance. I've worked really hard on that French accent, so bear with me. Here we are at Olympus Park, and we're just about a mile from that next spot, and just a couple of miles from where we came from, which is Maidu Park. Thought we'd stop by here and show you this little neighborhood park that's by the final property we're going to see. So this park is really cool. It's got a much bigger playground. This one's probably much more suitable for an adult like myself to try to play on. And right now, if it weren't so hot, maybe I'll try and go down the slide for you here in a second on the way out. We'll see. A special treat for you. I know it's going to be hot. Anyways, we got this great playground. It's got, a couple of baseball fields, lots of soccer fields. And, if the kids are into sports, everything in this neighborhood is just a bike ride away. A really great park here. We've got baseball diamonds, soccer fields, and we're right next door to Olympus Middle School. All right, here we go. All right, that was pretty hot. And without further ado, let's head on to that final property. All right, now we're in Olympus Point here for the grand finale. We always save the best for last. It's a little bit more upscale neighborhood. As you can see, this bad boy we're about to walk by is about 1.3 million, double the median home price. So let's talk a little bit about what that gets you. This home was built in about 2001, and it's on almost a quarter-acre lot. It's 4,400 square feet. It's a 4-bedroom, 5-bath home. Everything that you love in a home that's great in a home, this one has multiple of. We have double height vaulted ceilings. We have 3 master suites. It's got a chef's kitchen with 2 pantries. I mean, what does this home not have? As you can see when we walk by here, we're coming up on it. It's got a 3-car garage. Inside, it's got stunning hardwood flooring, a downstairs office. In the backyard, it's got a giant pool and a spa and a tiki bar. So it's kind of like you're at your own private resort. Really a phenomenal property. And talk about convenience. You're just walking distance from Olympus Park and Olympus Middle School, and you're in the Eureka School District, which is zoned for Granite Bay. You really can't go wrong with this property. And let's not forget, you're not very far from Johnson Ranch Sports Club. If you can picture yourself living here, taking dips in the pool, walking up to the club or to the parks and just living that Roseville lifestyle here, let's make it happen. Let's stop dreaming and let's make that dream a reality. Book some time on my calendar. All the information is in the description below. Oh, I almost forgot. You may need to sell a property too, and if you do, that's not a problem. We use a proven, documented approach to get maximum profit for your home so that you can use that equity for whatever you need to, be it another purchase or anything else for that matter. And also, don't forget about our Local Heroes program. If you're a veteran, first responder, a nurse, or a teacher, we want to take care of you. We have a special program just for you that will put thousands of dollars back in your pocket at close of escrow. And don't forget to smash that like and subscribe button. That way you can see more tours like this and get all the important information about what the life is like here in Roseville and of course the local market. I'll see you on the next one. That's a wrap.